All right, are you ready to jump into what happens in the brain when we hear a great story and why that's the secret sauce for scaling your brand? Let's go. When was the last time a story pulled you in so deeply that you forgot everything else? Maybe it was a gripping movie or a favorite novel or some TikTok video or even a friend's quick anecdote. That electric feeling of, I have to know more. That's exactly the spark that we want to create. Because when people feel that spark, they remember you. In this module, we'll explore why storytelling isn't just for Hollywood. It's the backbone of attracting customers, aligning teams, and scaling a business. At the end of the day, people do not buy products. They buy meaning and belief and transformation. They buy stories. Think about your favorite brand. What makes it stick in your mind? Is it the logo, the product itself, how it makes you feel, or is it something deeper? Nike doesn't just sell sneakers. They sell the belief that you can push beyond your current limits. Have a look.
If we show emotion, we're called dramatic. If we want to play against men, we're nuts. And if we dream of equal opportunity, delusional. When we stand for something, we're unhinged.
It's Super, it's gonna need to calm down.
When we're too good, there's something wrong with us. And if we get angry, we're hysterical or rational or just being crazy. But a woman running a marathon was crazy.
Officials tried to pull her off the course.
A woman boxing was crazy. A woman dunking? Crazy. Coaching an NBA team? Crazy. A woman competing in a hit job, changing her sport, landing a double cork 1080, or winning 23 Grand Slams, having a baby, and then coming back for more? Crazy, 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 and crazy. So if they want to call you crazy, fine. Show them what crazy can do.
You're going to learn the techniques that get people to feel something for your brand. And I'm going to show you the way, because that's what sparks engagement and loyalty. So whether you're launching a new venture, leading a team, or entering a new market, you'll need more than simple marketing tactics. You'll need a story that people feel, that they trust, and that they follow. This is why storytelling works. A great story doesn't just entertain, it connects, it builds trust, it makes people lean in and remember you. Yet most businesses make the mistake of focusing on the what instead of the why, the product instead of the pain. They highlight features, not emotions. But here's the truth. Buyers don't need another sales pitch, and they don't need your product. They need a guide. They need someone who understands their pain points and can help solve those pain points. Do you see how that's different? One's focused on you, you're a product, and one's focused on them, they have a need. And you need to focus on that need. They need a guide, someone who understands them, who can speak to their challenges and show them a better way forward. And when your brand becomes that guide, everything shifts. Suddenly, your message begins to resonate, and customers choose you over the competition. So let's jump into what happens in the brain when we hear a great story, and why that's the secret sauce for scaling your brand. Ready? Let's begin.